Yeah. Yeah, hello. Yes, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know what we do over here. We talk about how to make money online, how you can start your own online company, and how you can make money online. Yeah, so today I'm here to answer some question. Yeah, so a lot of people, especially my students, they normally ask me, how did you start all these things? How did you start? Yeah, so I want to share my journey, how YouTube made me in my first 100,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, so I want to share this thing with you so that I can inspire you for you to also start something. Yeah, so it all started when I completed university and that time I was about to start my national service. So this thing came to my mind that when I was in school, one of my major goal was to become a CEO. So I always tell my friends that after school, me apply for any government job. I want to start my own thing and make my own money. I don't want to be like, oh, I need to know how much blah blah blah. So after school and I started my national service, everything changed. So that time I was receiving 559. And then say be like, man, scary. Receiving your scary. So so I was receiving 559 at that time. And Charlie, the money safe, they come. Easy, they come. So I was like, so I've seen a lot of people completing university and their lives are some way. They are graduating, but their life are some way. So what will I do so that I will not be a victim? So during my national service, I wanted to start something. So I started a studio, that's music production studio. So I was producing beats and stuff, and I would document it to post it on YouTube and stuff. Yeah. So at that time, my subscribers was around 200 and something. Yeah. So I was doing this thing part time, like asking my home family be and my back to is that thing. Yeah. So we were close to end our national service, and I was like, yo, I got nothing in my name. Like at that time, we need 5,000 crowd media. So how can I be the man I want to be? So that one ginger me, yeah, to start something. So I was doing beat production, so I'll produce beats and I'll post it online, and someone will call you that, oh bro, I need the beat, and I'll say okay, then bring 200 Ghana cedis, then I'll sell the beat to that person and stuff. But it wasn't moving, you see. So I wanted the blog money, like big money, so that thing. So it wasn't moving, yeah. And getting to the end of our national service, so I was trying to start a company. So I called one or two people that this is the dream I have. I want to start something. So I want to invest in my phone, my lighting system, my microphone system and stuff. But all those people, they saw my dreams to be bullshit. Because as a graduate, how can you tell us that you want to start a YouTube? Like how? Like how? We want you to be in an office, be in the office, like, but this is the life I wanted. I want to be me. I wanted to do me, but they all turned my proposals down, and I was like, no. So I gotta do what I have to do. So that time I'll be searching on like how can I make money, and I got to know that content creating is one of the major source of income online. So at that time I was doing like freestyle videos and I'll post it online. The name of video about when and day. Yeah. So I was doing that and stuff. It wasn't going until like some creator introduced me to Eversend. Eversend. So I was like, yo, Eversend. That time, I wanted to buy a plugin from Nigeria, and that person told me that how can I send him the money? How can I send him the money? And I was like, bank transfer. And it's like, no, like find an app. So I was doing my research online, which app can help me send money from Ghana to Nigeria, and I got to know Eversend. Yeah, so Eversend made my journey so easy because I wanted help, and Eversend solved that problem for me. Me sending money from Ghana to Nigeria, and I was like, yo, I can do videos about this app on my channel to show people how they can send money from Ghana to Nigeria, and boom, everything changed. I was getting clients every day. Yo, bro, I wanted to create Eversend account. I've tried, it's not working. Help me out. Then I'll help you. I'll charge you $10, $15, and they'll recommend you to other business partners. And I got to see physical, like 10,000 Ghana cedis physical in my account. I was like, yo, I have to do more of this stuff. So, and that time too, my YouTube channel was growing fast because of like people want things that can solve their problem. People want stuff that can solve their problem. So if your thing can't solve my problem, why will I watch? Why will I waste my time to watch you? So people want stuff that can solve their problem. Yeah, so I was creating more of Eversend, and YouTube were paying me that time, and my major goal was to get more clients, because if I get 10 clients, that one is more than $100. You see, yeah. So I was doing all this stuff, and day by day I was seeing money in my accounts and stuff, and someone also contacted me that like someone wanted to scam him and stuff, so you want to reverse the money. So as an internet person, how can I help him? And I did my research and every stuff, and I helped him, and he got his money back. And I was like, yo, I can do videos about these things too. And I did a video about it, and I want to also add that money to my account, because people will be contacting you every day. Yo, bro, I've done a wrong transaction, help me out. And I'll help you, I'll charge you, and after getting your money back to you, you'll give me percentage from it. That's it. You see that then? Yeah, so I was getting money every day. Every day. And that time too, I was doing it low key. Oh. Nobody knows that I was doing this thing. Everybody was like, I quit the beauty fee on your share, lazy boy. But that time I was having money more than them. You see, but I was low key. So my accounts were growing and stuff, and I was like, yo, I want to set up a business. So I discussed this thing with my brother, and he was like, okay, then we should start an online company called Randall Tech. So this Randall Tech will be importing stuff from abroad to Ghana, but that thing didn't go well. So I was like, nah, still I have to use the Randall Tech for something. So I developed the app that can help you chat with your customers, your business partners, your staff, and things. So I developed this app, and someone chats me and they'll be like, yo, I want to buy your app. I was like, do you want to buy my app? It's like, how much will you sell it? That time, Charlie, me who's can be that? Is that thing? So Charlie, I said, okay, like I want to sell it 20,000 Ghana cedis. So okay, down deal. Nah, shimsi. Mr. Manka 20,000 cra. Because that time so I sold that up to that person 20,000 Ghana cedis, and I added that money to my account. So I was growing fast and stuff. Yeah. Until one day I got a telegram message from this white person that he's from Neptune Network. So he want to launch his app. So can I do a video about the app? And I was like, Joe, I can do it. And he told me that how much will I charge him? And I was like, okay, he should bring $45. And I was like, okay, done deal. So I took that money and did a video about Neptune Network. And Neptune Network did a lot of magic in my life. Though right now they are facing a lot of challenges, but I'm telling you what Neptune Network have done to me and for many people. Yeah, many people have earned money from Neptune Network, and I've earned more than 40,000 Ghana cedis from Neptune Network because I've referred more than 5,000 people to the platform, and I've gotten a lot of commission from them as well. You see, yeah, and all this thing happened from YouTube. You see, so after doing that, then you'll be getting a lot of messages from people from Asia, UK, America that they have an app, they want you to do a review about the app, then you charge them. So this is how it all started. So charging them stuff, and they were trying to pay me money through my bank account, and it's like, nah, don't you have a crypto wallet? I was like, what is crypto? I don't know anything about crypto wallet. So okay, then you have to create wallets from Xnest or Binance or Bybit. So at first I was using Xnest, so I created an account on Xnest. So I was receiving money from my clients through my Xnest account. Yeah, and I was like, so this one is very easy. So when I got the Xnest, I learned much about crypto trading. And crypto trading did a lot of good things in my life. You see, so I was using Xnest, and I got issue with the Xnest because at some point in time I became a partner, yeah, ambassador, yeah. I like, so when our deal ended, I said I'm out. So I created account on Bybit and Binance, and I started doing trading. And trading also add like a lot of money in my accounts. Yeah, so doing the trading, I got to know that we have something that we call crypto arbitrage, and that one too did a lot of good things in my life. And do you know one thing about this thing? Like, it's better for you to learn a skill, because when I learned much about crypto trading and the crypto arbitrage, me making money every day, people also contact me that, bro, I want you to mentor me, and I'll charge them and mentor them. You see, yeah, so it's best for you to make money online, and it's best for you to learn skill. Though we have some short apps that we all also engage it to make money in a lazy way, but I would advise you towards learn a skill, so that when someone contacted you that, yo bro, I want you to mentor me, you know what you'll be teaching these people. You see, yeah, so this is how it's all started. And this one happened, like they all happened within 1 year. Just 1 year. It all started last year, August. Like, listen, last year, May, June, but like I received my first 10,000 Ghana cedis in August. You see, so just 1 year, and everything changed. So my small advice to people who are graduates that they are home doing nothing, waiting for the government to employ them, just start something. Don't always wait for the government to be like, yo, submit your CV, come to work this time, blah blah. You can be your own boss, and you can earn money more than those who are working for the government, because I'm not sure that government will pay a fresh graduate 15,000 Ghana cedis. I'm not sure. but it's possible online. You can make more than 15,000 Ghana cedis within a year. For 1 month too. 1 month, where you can earn 15,000 for a month just within a year after learning everything. I'm not sure government can say that, okay, like, don't come to work, stay home. No. So as a graduate, I would advise you to start something online. What you have learned in school, just make good use of it. That's my humble advice to my fellow graduates. Charlie, don't say that, oh, medium person make more time with office, blah 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 blah. Boys peanut butter to office, but they don't have anything. They don't have anything. So it's best to be in a comfortable zone and still make money. I make money from home. I'm always at home, enjoying, chilling, seeing money every day. So this is my humble advice to you. If you are graduates and you are still waiting for government to employ you, I beg, wait, keep on waiting. Bye bye.